I'm Michael.
And I am Jeric.
And I am Rey.
Today we're gonna show you how to use oscilloscope and function generator.
First, this is the power. For you to turn on the function generator, you need to push this one like that. Next is the frequency knob, which is this one. The function of this one, for example, if you set the knob to 1, and next this is the frequency multiplier. If you click if you push button 10, for example, if you set this to 1 times 10 equals to 10 hertz. This is the symmetry knob. This calibrate the width of the signal. This next is the DC offset, which is responsible for the DC to flow to the oscilloscope. Next was this function here. I got 3 basic sign. This is sine wave, sawtooth, and the square wave. This one is invert. This invert the graph. Well, this one is the 20 DC volts, and next is this is the output where you put the block probes here.
Now we're gonna discuss the front panel. So first, the main power switch of the instrument. When this switch is turned on, the LED is also turned on.
Okay. Go.
Now we have the vertical axis, this, but I'm gonna use this part. Now here we have the channel 1, vertical input terminal of channel 1. Here we have AC, GND, and DC. Switch for selecting connection mode between input signal and vertical amplifier. AC coupling, GND vertical amplifier input is grounded and input terminal are disconnected. The DC coupling. Now we have the position. Position is for vertical positioning control of the trace or spot. So here. Then we have here the vert mode. So select channel 1 is for the operates as a single channel instrument with channel 1 alone. The next, the channel 2, the oscilloscope operates as a single channel instrument with channel 2 alone. Then the dual operates as the dual channel instrument, both channel 1 and channel 2. And last, add. Display the algebraic sum of channel 1 and channel 2, or the difference of channel 1 and channel 2 of the two signal. Then the push in state of channel 2. Now we have here the variable. Variable is for fine adjustment of sensitivity with a factor of less than or equal 1/2.5 of the indicated value. When in the cal position, sensitivity is calibrated to indicate value. When this knob is pulled out, the amplifier sensitivity is multiplied by 5. Here we have the alt chop. When this switch is released in the dual trace mode, the channel 1 and channel 2 inputs are alternated displayed. We have the channel 2 invert buttons. It is for invert the channel 2 input signal. When the channel 2 invert switch mode is pushed in, the channel 2 input signal in ADD mode, and the channel 2 trigger signal pick-up or also inverted.
Now we will ayaw nag-stop mo. Now we'll discuss the triggering part. This part is the triggering part and this is the horizontal part. This is what you call the external trigger in input terminal. It is an input terminal that is used for external triggering signal. To use this terminal, set the source to AXT position digital mode switch.
The source
to
is used to select
dual
the
or
internal
triggering source signal.
state.
Select channel 1 or channel 2 for the internal triggering source signal. Line is when you select the AC power line frequency signal as the triggering signal. External. The external signal applied through external trigger in input terminal is used for external triggering source signal. This is what you call the slope. Slope is to select the triggering slope. You need to set it to positive or negative. The positive triggering occurs when the triggering signal crosses the triggering level in positive doing direction. When the slope is set to negative, triggering occurs when the triggering signal crosses the triggering level in negative doing direction. This is the level to display a synchronized stationary waveform and set a start point for the waveform. TVV. This setting is used when observing the entire vertical picture of television signal. TVH. This setting is used when observing the entire horizontal picture of the television signal. Both TVV and TVH synchronize only when the synchronizing signal is negative. In the horizontal part, this is what you call the time per division. Shift time ranges are available in 20 steps from 0.2 to 0.5. Go. Times 10 mag. When the button is pushed in, the magnification of 10 occurs. And this is cal. This terminal delivered the calibration of the volts of 2 volts peak to peak 1 kHz positive square waves. This is ground. This is called the ground terminal of oscilloscope mainframe.
And that's all for our presentation. So thank you for watching.